Well, we're halfway through 2016. The Queen's Beast, the silver, and the quarter ounce came back into stock at the Royal Mint Bullion Department. However, the quarter ounce gold sold out very, very quickly, leaving a stock of the 1 ounce gold and also the 2 ounce silver. I took the opportunity to buy 3 of the 2 ounce silver, despite the fact that I have to pay VAT on them. They do come with a capsule, and they are postage free from the Royal Mint Bullion in the UK anyway, so it didn't seem like a bad deal. But the key thing is that these can be very disappointing in terms of quality, and all 3 of these coins have very, very tiny little scuffs. You can see just on the cheek of the Queen, just tiny little marks. It's almost like they were in a tube and maybe the profile of the Queen's face is just slightly above the rim, very, very marginally, or at least level with the rim. And so on most of these coins, you tend to get these tiny little scuff marks. So the very few that get to MS70 when they're graded are probably going to be interesting and worth having. Most of them, this will probably get a 69 if I graded it. I'm probably not going to grade these at the moment, although I may very well do. They're nice to have, and over a period of time these will build up with all the different designs. There's going to be 10 years of design, 10 different beasts. There's 2 lions and 2 different types of lions which we can look forward to. But I really like them. Before this video draws to a close, I just want to let you guys know that if you do want the quarter ounce gold, another one that has quality problems, if you do want one of those, then try and get one fairly quickly, because the mint will not be producing any more of those. They won't be coming back into stock, according to the feedback I've seen from the Royal Mint Bullion. So I guess the next one they have in stock will be the next beast in line for 2017. So if you do want one, you'll find them still available at some dealers, but get your hands on one to start the 10-year run and collection. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.